Grading scales. Custom grade scales can be created for all your grades, including individual materials and even your final grade. Grade scales allow you the flexibility to attach alphanumeric values to a percentage grade. During the remote learning, many teachers adjusted their grading to the A, B, P, and G scale. Some teachers also like to use a scale that grades with a check, check plus, and check minus. We will show you how to create those scales as well as how to create customized ones for your class. To create scales, go to Grade Setup in your left navigation, select Scales in the right column, select the gray Add button, and then the first option, Scale, from the drop-down menu. You can create your scale based on percentage or points. For percentage-based scales, you set letter grades that will display to students. You have to identify the percentage range for each letter grade. If you want students to see the letter grade, you have to select Only Show Letter Grade. This is an example of the remote grading scale adopted by the secondary schools this year. You see here we added the letter grade with the associated range. The letter conversion is the average of the range. By checking off the Only Show Letter Grade, students will only see the letter grade, not the percentage associated with that grade. However, even with this checked off, the students will see the numeric points achieved out of total points for individually graded materials. This is an example of how to create a grade scale that allows you to grade assignments with check, check plus, or check minus. You'll want to use the percentage grade scale and set it up as you would a letter grade, but instead of letters, you can enter in check marks. To type in a check mark on your Mac, hold down the Option key and the letter V. Note, if you check off the Only Show Letter Grade, students will see a check, check minus, or check plus on their grade report. When creating a point grade scale, teachers can name the scale and give descriptions to each point value. Students will only see the point value, not the description, when viewing their grades. When you return to Grade Setup, you can make a grade scale your default scale by selecting the star next to Grade Scale. When creating materials for your course, all grade scales and rubrics will show in the drop-down for you to choose from. Your default grade scale will automatically be selected. This is where you can change to select a different scale or rubric to grade that assignment.